What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. We're gonna do our first unboxing video, and we're gonna start off with the new S20 lineup that just came out. It's gonna be available for pre-order starting next Friday, and it's gonna hit the streets on March 6th. Here we have the S20 5G in black that I'm gonna open up for the first time. The phones are available in 4 different colors. S20, this is black. We have the blue one and the black one. Pink one for the girls, I'm sorry, but you'll have to check it out in person. It's the gray. As you can see, these phones have 3 lenses as well. So let's take a deeper dive into the S20 5G. The S20 has a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED screen. It has 128 megahertz refresh rate, which is twice as much as the last devices that were out. It comes in with a 4,000 milliamp battery, and it comes with three lenses here. The main lens is 12 megapixels. The second camera lens is 64 megapixels, and the third camera lens is 12 megapixels. So a lot better than the last models that were out. Inside the box, you have AKG headsets that are USB Type-C, and the USB Type-C to Type-C cable with a super fast charging box. The phones start off at $999 for the S20, $1199 for the S20 Plus, and $1399 for the S20 Ultra. Like a bluish white. Here's a deeper dive into the S20 Plus 5G. It has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED screen. It has 4,500 milliamps of battery. So as the size of the phone goes up, the batteries become bigger. And what that means is the battery life is going to be a lot better. This one has 4 cameras. The first one, or the main one, is 12 megapixels. The second camera is 64 megapixels. The third camera is 12 megapixels. And the fourth camera is 0.3 megapixels. As the sizes go up, as your needs go up for a better camera, the bigger the phone, the better the camera. So just keep that in mind when you guys are purchasing the devices. Inside this box, similar to the first one, or same thing, I should say, you have the AKG headset, the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and the super fast charging box. For those who do not know, USB Type-C to Type-C, it's going to be the same ends on both ends. It goes into the box. The camera quality is, I believe, the biggest enhancement that Samsung did. It comes in 12 megapixels for the S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra as 108 megapixels. Here's the most expensive and the biggest phone that Samsung has launched. But I believe with the features and enhancements that Samsung did to this phone, the price should not be a problem for them to sell it. This one has a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED screen. It has 5,000 milliamp battery. It's gonna have the longest battery life out of all of them. And the reason why I said that it shouldn't be a problem for Samsung to sell this phone at the price that they have it priced at, is because you can sit at the top of a Ferris wheel and zoom in to the crowd on the bottom, and you should clearly be able to see who is who. This one has 4 cameras, just like the S20 Plus. The main camera is 108 megapixels. 108 megapixels. You can stand feet away and zoom in with the camera and be able to see either words on a sign, see who's getting out of the car with your girlfriend or boyfriend. You should clearly be able to figure out whatever is going on feet away from you. The main camera, like I said, is 108 megapixels. The second camera is 48 megapixels. The third camera is 12 megapixels, and the fourth camera is 0.3 megapixels. Inside the box, again, you have the AKG headsets, you have the USB Type-C cable, and you have the super fast charging box. In this one, I'm going to show you guys the headphones. The headphones come with these extra buds for different size ears, and they are connected through the Type-C port on the bottom of the phone.
Alright guys, thanks for watching that video. We didn't want to get into too much details because we want to do a comparison between the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy Ultra. We want to see which one is better in terms of camera, battery life, or whatever other enhancement these two companies came out with, so that you guys can make a decision whether the iPhone or Samsung is better. So stay tuned for the next video.